Hi, I'm Nick, Certified Financial Planner with Betterment, and today we're going to talk about how to build an emergency fund. An emergency fund is the bedrock of everybody's personal financial plan. You should look to have at least 6 months worth of expenses saved away for a rainy day or in case something happens like your roof leaks or your car breaks down, or even worse if you lose your job. Your emergency fund should be invested in very safe, conservative, and liquid investments. That way, if the market happens to be down when you need it, you don't have to worry. Or you don't have to worry about not being able to access your money at the exact time that you might need it. For example, some good conservative investments might be a diversified portfolio of low-cost liquid ETFs, but you want to make sure that you don't have too many stocks. Stocks tend to be riskier than bonds. A good portfolio would have around 40% stocks and 60% bonds. Your emergency fund should be in conservative liquid investments. At Betterment, we build customers' safety nets that are 40% stocks and 60% bonds. This way you don't have too much risk, but you're likely to keep pace with inflation so that your emergency fund doesn't decrease over time. Again, my name's Nick. I'm a certified financial planner at Betterment. And if you have any other questions about your 401k or other types of investing or tax planning that you're doing, you can always go to betterment.com and check out our resource center.